Hello friends, today we will tell you what is the meaning of George. George is one of the boy's name. George is an Arabic name. The origin of the name George is of Arabic origin. 9 is the lucky number for George named boys. According to expert, boys named George are very sweet. George name meaning farmer. Lucky days for people with name George include Sunday and Tuesday. Red, light green, and rust colors are suitable for George. Topaz is the lucky stone for George name boys. Lucky metals include copper by number. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.